Welcome back to this new video on post connection attacks. This video is basically on information gathering. We can use two softwares for information gathering so far as NetDiscover and Nmap. In this video, we'll talk about NetDiscover. This actually helps you gather more information about your connected devices over the same network. Network can be wired or it can be wireless. For wireless network discovery, you would need an external Wi-Fi card since you're using it on, you know what, right? You're using it on what, You're using it on a virtual box, so you need an external Wi-Fi card because the VMware software, the virtualization software, the simulator software cannot actually access the hardware of your host system. It just pretends to take the host system Wi-Fi as a wired card, as a wired device. Anyway, so discover all the devices on the network, um, display their IP addresses, MAC addresses, operating system, open port, ports, running services, and etc. So we'll be doing all of that using these two softwares. First of all, go run ifconfig, and if you run ifconfig and you are not connected to any external Wi-Fi card, so you would be noticing here under the first one itself, under the Ethernet section itself, you would see there is an iNet. This is an basically IP address of your wired network. It has 10.0.2.16. The crazy thing about this MAC address is that it can have a range of 10.0.2.1 to 10.0.2.24, 1 to 24. Like only these are the possible MAC addresses. Like that. Like that. Yeah, it cannot have a MAC address other than that. Crazy, right? Yeah. So this is the only important information here that here contains the IP address of your wired connection. Why I'm saying wired connection, we'll come to know in the coming time when I show my lab. So what you just need to do, you need to just in the new line after done it, type net. By the way, this is all for wired connection. Okay, should be physically connected to the network through a wire or something. You got it right. Net discover hyphen r 10.0.2.1 slash 24. So it will search between 1 to 24 range. Net discover hyphen r 10.0.2.1 hyphen 24. So when you press it, enter, so it will show the devices and IP addresses, their MAC addresses, their count, their length, their MAC and vendor or host name. So this is crazy. That's it. Yeah, that's it. And you can even do this on wireless network as well. Like, so you just need to check that you are connected to wireless network, and since your external Wi-Fi card is showing, just go on the top section here, like top here, on the wired connection, click on it. There would be a Wi-Fi option. Click on it and select any Wi-Fi you want to connect to. Type the password of that if you have not already cracked the password. And if you know the password still, you can type it and then perform the same step. But since you can see after typing ifconfig, we see that the LAN 0, the external Wi-Fi card, has a IP address kind of different. 192.168.1.8. So here you have to set a range from 192.168.1.1, like you can see, to 24. To use the option 2, we use hyphen, we use forward slash. So yeah, to this, we have to use a forward slash. That's it, and you'll run it. So it will show all the connected devices. It has detected Samsung devices, Huawei devices, Apple devices to Apple devices. So that's all. That's all. So what I'll do right now, I'll just turn on my laptop. I have two other laptops. I'll connect to the same network, the same wired network. There is nothing called wired network. Okay? This is my host laptop. Okay? My host laptop is connected to my phone's hotspot. So this hotspot on the VMware is shown as if it's connected to a wired network, but actually it is not. It is just connected to the host network's provider, that which is a hotspot. But it is thinking like as if it's connected to a wired network. But it's a good thing because it uses NAT connection. NAT connection. Okay, because of that. So we don't care. We don't care. What do we care right now is what do we care about? Yeah, to this very network, we'll connect as many devices as possible and we'll perform the what? We'll perform net discover to figure out like the information about them. Are they giving correct information or there's misinformation or anything or some information I don't know or something like that. So just wait till I set up my lab and connect to so many devices. You know what? I kind of failed to connect this to my other laptop because it was having OS issues. So I'm trying to install Ubuntu on my that laptop, but it will take some time. We don't have that much time. So what we'll do, we'll start our VMware. I've connected to basically, let's say, two devices, the same hotspot. My host, this one, and as well as my Samsung phone. So let's see what details it can give. But I wanted to connect my laptop, but okay, sometimes we cannot. Anyway, let's start VMware. Easy commands, easy peasy commands. Let's wait it for it to start. Okay, it almost started. It's connected. Okay, so we'll go here and type in if config. So yeah, here we can see we have the IP address. So what we do, as you know, you type in one command that is net discover range this. Net discover range this. Okay, gonna be crazy. Gonna be crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's go. I'm kind of lazy, so what we're going to do is just basically paste it here and copy whatever text we can get from this. Okay, use it here and here. The shift V. Now let's compare. Now let's not compare. Let's just straight up write this. Control Shift C. I don't know why it is showing like that. Wait a second. Queen. Hmm. I don't know. Like this we should do. Plus 24. Like that, right? Oh, it's kind of weird. Same devices are shown. No, three devices are shown. Okay, Control C and updated software and all my notifications are coming. Let's copy this again and this time that's why I don't like half information about things. So okay, let's split it. Let's type if config and here you can see let's full screen it, man. Just full screen it. As you can see, we have this is the IP address. Just paste it in here. 1 to 128. Now let's see. After 4 digit, this should look like this. So he wasn't wrong. What if I do 16 now? Let's do 24 only. This is the range. So these are the devices. Three devices showing connected to my wired network. Okay. vendor name, host name, nothing is provided. IP address is provided and MAC address is provided. Not useful. So what would we be doing right now? Nothing is useful, bro. I don't know why everything feels like waste of time. So what we do right now, we're gonna try to connect. Let's see if config. So you can see there is no wireless card detected. IW config will give a better idea. No wireless card is connected. So I'm just trying to set up my wireless card for this process. Almost done. Now I'll connect it. Okay, it is connected. I have to kind of connect. Okay, I think it's connected. If config, so our wireless card is shown here. Oh yeah, as I told you, we need to connect to a connection. So let's see all networks, and oh, so my Wi-Fi, my phone's Wi-Fi is not visible here. That's sad. Okay, let me just reset my hotspot for a while. That is sad. Okay, it got connected, but at the same time, I want my phone to get connected as well. So let's see my phone's situation right now. Okay, so my phone is disconnected to that network. Why, bro? Why? So yeah, my phone is also connected to it, as well as my host network is also connected to it. So a lot of devices are connected, clearly. Okay, so we're gonna run the same command right now. If config, and you see that our IP address has changed. This is our IP address. So nothing much, just you gotta type this command, change it a bit, make it 1/24. So it should show all the devices connected to it. That's crazy because so many devices are connected to it. It is showing none. Okay. Okay, there must be some error. We'll figure it out later and I'll catch back to you. Why is it showing like that? So how crazy of it is that we couldn't find much data on it. Like actually like two devices are connected, right? So what if I just disconnect this my phone from it? Phone from what? Phone from this connection list. And we just disconnect it and again try the same thing, same network. Will it still show two devices? Still showing two devices. Okay, what we'll do right now, we'll disconnect our host laptop also from it. Will still show two devices. Okay, now since I was only connected to it, so how is it showing like it is connected to something? What is my ah? What is my if config? What is my internet? This isn't me. My internet is. Who is this device? FAD. Is this my? Is this my? Is this my? How do I find the MAC address of my device? Um, let me just open. Let me just search in here. Aerodump ng. Aerodump ng. Aerodump ng. Aerodump ng. Line 0. अरे कौन इतना मैसेज कर रहा है चोड़ की तरह? इरिटेट मत करो यार हमको, बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेट हो रहा है यार. Shouldn't talk like this. Yeah, better. Okay, failed devices. So herein I could find my device. So what is the MAC address of this? See, MAC address of is not same as what it is shown there. अरे यार मेरे को नहीं पता. I literally this is like so much less information which we are getting. So much less information we are getting from all of these things. Okay, anyway, so like yeah. So one thing is for sure true that after disconnecting some devices are gone. So what we do right now, we again connect to this device. That is my hotspot. It's connected. So okay, okay, crazy, crazy. So we get some connections right now. Got some connections right now. Technology. I think this is the device. This is the device. Now I'll try to connect using my phone as well. My phone. Let's see what info can we get. And yeah, as I was saying, I need to start practicing how to hack WPA and WPA2 because WPA2 connections are always out there and we're unable to do shit to that. So I want to really hack that. I really want to learn how to hack them. You know? So after even the device is connected, no, nothing we can see here is changing. Hmm. Now it's more dead. Ah. So yeah, you got the idea. We get something through these things. Fuck it, it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work the way it says it will. So that's all for the video. Till then, it was kind of a good video, not bad. Till then, take care, be safe, keep hacking.